Welcome to Eduattack. Dear, today we will discuss about rights available to parties under Indian Contract Act. There are two rights. One is rights in rem or another is rights in personam. First of all, we will discuss what is meaning of right in rem. Dear, right in rem is that right which is available against the world at large. It means in whole world no one can interfere in your right to use your property or your money. This right protects your interest against the world, and you can say there is a duty upon every person of the world not to interfere with others' rights. It is available against an open or indefinite class of persons. It means this is your right against the world. This freedom is given in Article 19 of the Indian Constitution. With its restriction are the rights in rem. We can take the example of it. Here are two examples. First one is, suppose X has a house. Then the people of the world have a duty not to interfere with his ownership, right of his house. Nobody has right to disturb his position. And second example, if you have money in your pocket, you can use your money as like. The world at large has no right to interfere with your position. This is rights in rem, or you can say joint rem. Second right is here, that is called rights in personam, or you can say joint personam. This right is available only against a particular person or party. You can say this right protects an interest solely against determinate individuals and duty imposed upon determinate individuals. You see, in Indian Contract Act, there is right in personam which are available to parties who enters into the contract. Thus, the party of the contract can exercise their contractual rights against each other only, not for a stranger. This is right in personam. Here is an example of this right. Suppose Mr. X let his house to Z, his tenant. X has a right to receive rent from his tenant. This right to receive rent from his tenant is called right in personam. The rest of world is not concerned with this right. I hope you have proper understanding about these two rights. Thank you, dear.